Let's talk about kids forgetting their homework and what you can do about it. Homework, the big picture of homework is it's all about responsibility. I'm more concerned with the child being organized, responsible, taking charge of their life than actually getting the homework. So I really think it's the emphasis on how we assign it and why we assign it. And I like to say that to kids. When kids are old enough to get homework, which is usually around, the middle school grades, we're prepping them to be more independent and we want them to really be more responsible and, have the skills on their own without us reminding them. So I really push the responsibility. And I say to them, you know what? It's your responsibility. And the other thing I say to them is don't let yourself down. So when they come in the next morning and they don't have their homework, I say to them, oh man, you let yourself down on that one. See, I want to put it back on them because they'll have every excuse on the book. I forgot it. My mom didn't remind me. Oh, there was no room at the table last night. We had company. They have all of those. But then I always put it back on them and I say, okay, here's the challenge. Don't let yourself down tonight. Remember, the most important thing about homework is getting it home and then getting it back to school. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.